Hi everyone, happy Monday. Welcome to my live stream. I'm so excited that some of you were waiting before the stream went live. Others of you have just joined in now. And if you're watching this after the fact, oh my goodness, are we gonna save a lot of money today? I'm gonna show you my 3 favorite Super Bowl TV deals. I'm going to give away a Strength Genesis water bottle. And this is virtually unbreakable, but it's just to thank you guys for watching. It's a really cool product. And then on top of that, I'm also going to show you as we look back what my favorite deal was from last week, and then we look ahead to the big savings today. So we've got a lot to accomplish. I want to thank Angela, who's watching from Florida, Juan, who was tuned in well before this even started, Carrie, who's here, Michael, who's here, and Dave, who is in the market for a television deal. So there we are. If you are watching on Twitch or Twitter or Facebook right now, well, a reminder that the origin of this source is on YouTube right now. So if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please feel free to do so. All right, before we get to all of that, a reminder, guys, this is how you can find all of the big deals, everything that I feature. If you head over to mattsdailydeals.com, how are you eligible for the giveaway that I'm about to do? Well, this is not tied to YouTube or affiliated with Facebook or Twitch. This is something tied to my email newsletter. Sign up, add your name. I will not spam you. I'll notify you of huge deals when they drop. But then on top of that, you can also find all of the big deals of the week all available right here. Before we get to the television deals, if there was one deal that I showcased last week, it was this hoverboard deal, which was $90 off, $199 down to $109, which has since sold out. That was my favorite deal of last week. For those of you that don't watch me regularly, I am working around the clock to showcase deals like this. Moving forward now with my favorite deals, if there was one 65-inch television deal that I think is worth a look as we count down to the Super Bowl, this deal at $899 down to $349 for the Scepter 65-inch Class 4K TV 2160p is a phenomenal grab. Very well reviewed. I have not in the past been a big fan of the Scepter televisions, but if you did watch me at the Consumer Electronics Show, they did have a presence, their products have improved, and this is very well reviewed for a television that is not necessarily a Samsung. To put this into perspective, I'm going to put my second favorite 65-inch television deal right now, which is from Samsung. It's the Samsung 65-inch class Series 7 2160 Smart 4K TV. $100 off, price match guarantee, which means if anyone beats this price, obviously Best Buy will match that. $100 off, $69 down to $599 is substantial. And to put this price drop into perspective, it's basically $599 for Samsung versus $349 for a slightly off brand. These are solid television deals, all of which, of course, are on mattsdailydeals.com. Many of the price drops tied to the TCL brand right now, which Best Buy is pushing out, are not that great, so I would not be overly excited by that. On the laptop front, since many of you are still looking for laptop deals, as I can tell from the comments that led into this stream, the price match guarantee tied to a whole assortment of laptop deals, awesome. You're saving $80 in some cases. The Disney Plus offer is included, and brands like Lenovo, HP, Acer, even Dell, which has improved a lot over the years in terms of customer service, all heavily reduced. And these, of course, are some of the best deals of this week. Now, one of the other best deals is a freebie, which I'm going to give out right now to a subscriber. Reminder, if you're on my email newsletter, you are eligible for this. We use a randomizer, and I'm going to pull up that randomizer right now, where unlike last week, we've blurred out names for everyone's privacy. I'm now getting better at my own giveaways. So this is the randomizer, and the individual that wins today's free water bottle, which has a value of $30, is Geodad LV. Now, congratulations. If you just saw your name drawn, all you have to do is email me at support@mattsdailydeals.com directly from this email address so we can ensure that we are giving this out to the correct person. There are many other giveaways taking place over the coming weeks, and it's not just water bottles, it's headphones and audio components and TVs and some really big deals as we head into the next season. So please, not only stay subscribed, but join that email newsletter. That's really all you need to know. I will be reading through the comments. I don't know if you guys noticed, but after this video goes live, and then I'm no longer live, you can still read all of the original live comments while I was live right here. And then the people that watch it after the fact leave a new set of comments. What does this mean? It means I've got a lot of comments to read through, and I want to make sure that I use the insight that you provide to find and hunt down better deals for you moving forward. That's my only purpose in life. And of course, big deals right around the corner as well if you are subscribed to this channel. So thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Thanks for joining me for this live cast. I'll let you get back to what I'm sure is a very busy day ahead. I'm honored to have been a part of it.